Good afternoon, Eastern Standard Time. You are watching Silverwater Fishing. I'm out here at Buckner, the reformatory lake, if you're familiar with that area in Kentucky. And I'm going to be doing a little bit of top water with the old spook here. This is a good largemouth area. This is kind of the place I go to get my confidence up if I'm having kind of a bad-ish fishing day, week. Although there really are not too many of those, because, just being out in nature is totally worth it, whether you get something or not. But it makes it all the more enjoyable if you do get something, right? So let's see what we can see. There's a lot of cabbage out here. See all that? Yeah, I'm getting a lot of weeds around this area, but it's where the fish are. Let's go out yonder here. Alright, a lot of weeds, but no guts, no glory. It's clear out there. If I go about 10, 15 feet, start hitting them. Yeah, I already feel them. Yeah, to find a clearer spot. Yeah. White grub alert. White grub alert. Leah was here, she brought about 10 fish already. I'd be standing out here with my feet wet, not getting nothing. But she's awesome like that. Oh, there he goes. Ooh. Ooh, fighter. That's what's up. Hello. Hello. Oh, look at that. That is a pretty fish. Yeah, there. That is a beautiful, beautiful largemouth. Ain't she pretty? Real light. Awesome. Thank you, girl. Appreciate you. Definitely a white grub, man. And that's how you get your confidence up. There we go. Ooh. Oh my gosh. To edit or not to edit, that is the question. I'm going to remain honest with you. Because a fish is a fish. I know. There we go. Ain't she pretty? And she going to get bigger for me. I just know it. Let's go back out to the weed beds. I'm not going to let it sink too far. I'm just going to let it stay good. Oh, there we go. Oh, yeah. Oh, wow. He's a jumper. There you are, baby. I know. Ah, there you are. That's what I'm talking about. It's pretty. There you are. Very nice, I say that myself. Beautiful little fishy. Largemouth. That was a jumper. Get out of there. Oh, that ain't no good. Ain't no good at all. There it goes. That's really not good. All right, change of tact. Got my little rebel crawl on there. See what that does for me. Changing the windage. Hoping they're just kind of suspended and I can run this by them. And the sun's out. That's even better. Salud. Fish on. Oh my. Hello. Hello. Oh. Yeah, got you. Very nice, very nice. Indeed. Yeah, get my pliers out of my other pocket. There we go. That's a good start. There we go. Very nice, if I say so myself. Beautiful. Beautiful animal. Bye-bye. While I'm here, I'd like you to see something. This is unacceptable. Uneffing acceptable. Especially when I can throw a rock and hit a garbage can. Uneffing acceptable. If you're wondering where that fishing line went, that I got all gibbered, it went in my pocket. Don't litter. Okay? Wants to enjoy this. And to ruin something like this is just a crime. Crime against nature. That's all I've got to say about that.